Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. If you're eyeing ways to boost your equipment uptime, well, you've landed in the right spot. In this video, we'll delve into how preventive and predictive maintenance, integrating data into your CMMS, the role of checklists, and the importance of service relationship management can revolutionize your maintenance game. We'll also touch on some industry-specific practices. Let's power up your maintenance program and usher in an era of increased uptime, energy efficiency, and asset lifespan. By implementing well-thought-out maintenance programs, streamlining workflow, and monitoring equipment to discover and resolve root causes of failure, you can significantly improve your equipment uptime. These tasks may be specific to your industry, market, or organization. But there are some general principles to keep in mind. First off, if your technicians are still focusing mostly on emergency maintenance or reactive maintenance tasks to keep your shop running, it's time to start down the path of preventive maintenance for selected assets. Some assets, like light bulbs, don't warrant preventive maintenance, but for critical assets, like HVAC filters, preventive maintenance tasks can increase uptime, energy efficiency, and lifespan. But how can you improve preventive maintenance? Well, you can do so through condition-based monitoring. According to Reliable Plant, roughly 30% of all preventive maintenance tasks do not accomplish much. Predictive maintenance programs use sensors and other tools to monitor equipment and determine when maintenance is needed based on asset condition. This way, you only perform maintenance tasks based on need rather than on a schedule. Now, let's talk about integrating data into your CMMS, or computerized maintenance management systems. One significant challenge of increasing uptime for assets is using a wide variety of technology, monitoring devices, and introducing computer systems in an integrated fashion. If the data generated by these tools cannot be accessed in a helpful or usable way, it fails to impact uptime or ultimately a company's bottom line. Next up, let's discuss the importance of developing solid checklists. When it comes to maintenance, checklists should be mandatory. They serve as an easy visual reminder to ensure that all important tasks have been completed. This simple step can mean greater uptime for your assets. Moving on, let's touch on the implementation of problem failure action codes. Even if you have implemented a preventive or predictive maintenance program, there will always be some cases where you'll face emergency or reactive maintenance requirements. By implementing problem failure action codes, you can take full advantage of these opportunities. Next, let's talk about service relationship management, or SRM. SRM is all about making sure the right players, whether internal or external to a company, have all the information they need to perform their work efficiently and effectively. SRM systems that use cloud platforms to provide and collect data from internal and external service parties ultimately help a company improve the uptime of its equipment and assets. Now let's look at an example from the electromechanical field. According to Cook Consultants, companies may want to ensure that the grade, material, and size of fasteners is appropriate for critical assets, as well as audit fasteners twice a year to replace those that are loose or damaged. Lubrication, alignment, and balance are also crucial aspects to keep in mind. The ultimate goal of precision maintenance is to have assets that are running smoothly, quietly, and at cooler temperatures. Consider that when a company reduces mechanical vibration by 20%, it can actually double the life of that piece of equipment. Lastly, let's talk about using a CMMS to streamline workflow. A great way to remedy inefficiencies is to use a CMMS with mobile capabilities. This system allows you to track data and plan work orders, assign work orders to the right level of technician without delay, and provide remote access to equipment schematics and instructions. So, there you have it. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly improve your equipment uptime, increase efficiency, and ultimately, boost your bottom line. And that wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. We've covered preventive and predictive maintenance, integrating data into your CMMS, the role of checklists, and the importance of service relationship management. Remember, these strategies can significantly improve your equipment uptime, increase efficiency, and ultimately, boost your bottom line. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our solutions, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you power up your maintenance program